Hey everyone, welcome to the Mature Diva channel. I'm Rhonda and today we're going to talk about red light therapy for our face. I'm about to turn 58 in a couple of months, and if you like me, you know that taking care of our mature skin is so important. Our skin changes over time, and my skin has changed over the decades for sure. The things that I used to be able to do or not do to my skin is no longer valid. So let's peel back the layers, shall we? According to a recent article I read, the skin rejuvenation industry has undergone a transformation over time. We used to conceal our wrinkles with makeup, and now we fill them with Botox and resurface them away with dermabrasion and lasers. The latest anti-wrinkle trend is red light therapy, LED therapy, it's photobiomodulation, and low-level laser therapy. Oh, by the way, this video is for entertainment and conversational purposes only. I am not a medical professional, and this does not constitute any medical advice. Okay? We're just sharing. Now, you may have seen ads for home LED masks, which makes the wearers look like the Terminator. These devices use low wavelengths of red light to treat skin conditions like wrinkles and age spots. Now, your dermatologist can offer a more potent version of the red light therapy using a special line or light panel. So, before you invest hundreds of dollars in a home mask or professional treatment, you'll want to know if your red light therapy is an effective wrinkle reducer, a trend, or a waste of money. According to an article that I'll have linked below, the evidence looks promising. Now, a dermatologist in New York City indicates that they've seen firsthand how their patient's skin and texture and elasticity improves over a series of treatments. They also indicated that they're always clear with their patients that the results are gradual and cumulative, so it's not a quick fix like some other procedures. Let's talk about how red light therapy actually works. NASA accidentally discovered the skin improving benefits of red light therapy in the 1980s and the 1990s while they were studying its ability to grow plants in space. Now, the scientists who worked under this LED light for long periods of time noticed that the cuts in their hands had healed more quickly than usual. And eventually, the researchers began studying it for the treatment of other skin conditions like acne, psoriasis, scars, and wrinkles. It's believed that red light therapy delivers low-level wavelengths of red light to the skin. The light is thought to smooth wrinkles by acting on mitochondria, which is the powerhouse of the cell. Now, the light also stimulates fibroblasts that are the cells that produce the proteins collagen and elastin. Now, I get excited when the words collagen and elastin are used because they are essential for keeping my skin firm and smooth. It's natural as we mature that collagen production slows down, which is why wrinkles and sagging start to occur. Now, red light therapy can boost the skin's ability to rebuild collagen and elastin, leading to a smoother texture, more elasticity, and reduced fine lines. Red light therapy also helps to improve circulation, which brings oxygen and nutrients to the skin. And by the way, the entire article is linked below as my source of information. And please be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's talk about how effective red light therapy is. Research on red light therapy is promising, but it's still preliminary at this point. While some research has shown that the treatment increases the collagen production, improves appearance of wrinkles and dark spots, and tightens skin, many of the studies that have been done so far were small and they were sponsored by the manufacturers of the products, which makes the findings somewhat unreliable and biased. Plus, there is a lack of standardization in light wavelengths and intensities across the industry that makes it hard to know the results that you're getting from the treatment that you receive. Let's talk about what to expect from your treatment. You can have red light therapy done at a dermatologist's office or other cosmetic provider office. Or you can purchase a product like I did on Amazon. And I'll link my LED mask below. Doctors will deliver the red light therapy usually through LED panels or a handheld device. And home versions typically involve a mask or a wand that emit a lower intensity than the professional devices. Now, because red light therapy doesn't penetrate very deeply into the skin, it's thought to not be painful or damaging, and you shouldn't have any downtime afterward. But this is not the answer if you're looking for a quick, dramatic fix. You're not going to get the same results as lasers or injectables. The improvements that you can get with red light therapy are subtle but noticeable, particularly for patients with mild to moderate wrinkles. The changes that you see are going to be more gradual. Now, because red light therapy can produce different effects based on your skin tone, ask your dermatologist what to expect before trying it. And also keep in mind that this is not a one and done treatment. To continue building collagen and maintaining your results, you may need to repeat the process weekly for the first 6 to 10 weeks, followed by regular maintenance. And according to the article, as with any cosmetic procedure, your results will depend on factors like the health of your skin, as well as how well you take care of it, and using adequate sun protection. Now let's talk about how much it costs. In-office red light therapy can run between $50 to $150 per session. Now, keep in mind, health insurance will not cover this because they consider it a cosmetic procedure. But check the details of your HSA and your FSA. Red light therapy masks that you can buy online can range between $50 to $150. The mask that I use is under $100, and I'll link this mask information below. It's important to do your research so that you make sure that the mask that you're getting has the features that you want. Let's talk about risk and precautions. Red light therapy is generally safe, especially when it's done by a dermatologist or other trained provider. The most common side effects are redness and swelling of the skin, and in rare cases, the skin treated may become darkened. If you're using a mask at home like I do, it's suggested that you try it on a small area of skin to make sure that you're not sensitive to the wavelength and light. And it's really important that you check with your doctor before getting this treatment if you take any type of photosensitization medications, which include antibiotics and acne medicines. Now, it's believed that red light therapy isn't strong enough to damage the eyes, but because the light is bright, you may want to wear protective goggles. My particular mask comes with some eye protection. So here's the bottom line. Is red light therapy worth the cost? And the answer is yes. For the right patient, it can be a great standalone treatment if you're looking for subtle improvement for your wrinkles. I think this is a great option if you're looking for something that does not have a lot of downtime or discomfort. Now keep in mind again, red light therapy is not a substitute for more intensive procedures like lasers or injectables, which are going to get down to the deeper wrinkles. So what do you think? Tell us in the comments section. Have you ever tried red light therapy? And if you have, did you like the results? I personally love my red light therapy mask because of the convenience, and I can do it at home on my own time. And this particular mask has 7 other light therapies in the mask that address different issues with each light color. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching and stay fabulous.